Vehicle Code 20001 defines the crime of felony hit and run. Now, normally, if you're in an accident and you flee the scene and there's only property damage, then it's just misdemeanor. It can only be filed as misdemeanor hit and run, which carries only up to 1 year in jail. But if somebody is injured in that accident and you flee the scene, then it can be filed as felony hit and run. And felony hit and run carries up to 3 years in jail or prison and can be up to 4 years if somebody is seriously injured or killed. Now, what are your duties if you're in an accident? You have a duty to stop immediately at the scene and to provide the other driver or drivers with your identifying information. So that's your name, your address, your insurance information, and the name and address of the owner of the vehicle if that is somebody else. If somebody is injured, if another party is injured in the accident, then you also have a duty to render reasonable assistance. Usually this means just calling 911, making sure that paramedics arrive, making sure that they receive medical care. And these duties apply regardless of who was at fault in the accident. So you may be driving through an intersection on a green light when somebody runs a red light and T-bones you. It's entirely their fault. That person is injured. You flee the scene. Even though it was entirely their fault, even though the accident was not your fault at all, you still have a duty to stop and provide information and render assistance when they're injured. And not doing so subjects you to prosecution for hit and run, felony hit and run in that case.